Everything.
Turn off the vehicle. Turn off the vehicle. Turn it off. Turn off the car.
What?
Turn off the car.
What?
Sir, turn off the vehicle. Turn off the vehicle, sir. Turn it off. Turn off the car and roll down the window. Open the door. Give me that other unit. Open the window. Open the door.
What's up?
I got a 646. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Hands. Hands on the wheel. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Hands on the wheel. The car's off. Be advised, the vehicle took off. Thomas in Pennsylvania. 2017, Chrysler 300, color black. Zulu 21, hotel, Kilo. It should be under his leg.
Does anybody fires a weapon here?
No, no, no here, not here.
Delta 91, go. I think you're going to start moving these cars so the bus can get built. Alright, units. As for Delta 191, you want you guys to stop moving the vehicles so the bus can get through.
Cap, when the six shots fired,
Who's 599?
it was a-
599. You're 599? You're chasing? Did you shoot?
No, I didn't shoot. Who shot?
Who shot?
Crespo shot. Crespo shot. No, they shot. Crespo shot, and they're gone. They're done. Who's dead? No, he just pulled off on me.
Listen, the best part is no officers are hurt.
Right,
no
yeah.
officers are shot.
Right. Yeah, that's all that matters. Yeah, Crespo's okay, and so is Ortiz.
Delta 71. Delta 71, go.
Fired from here.
Pennsylvania and Thomas is where I pulled them over. No.
Was that a motor vehicle stop or was
Yes.
that a foot chase?
No, motor vehicle stop. I pulled them over.
Okay. Who you with?
By myself.
Delta 91. Delta 91, 503 or 103. If someone please call 885
No hablo de nada, ¿ok? Nada.
Okay. I'm right here.
All right, I got it. What happened?
The car's going down Pennsylvania. It was going way too fast, so I
Did you pulled it over as a 521?
pulled it over as a traffic stop.
Okay.
Just as a traffic stop, just because he was going too fast.
Okay.
I got behind him on Pennsylvania and Thomas at the red light. I was waiting for the light to turn green. I thought he was going to pull over right on Pennsylvania. He kept going down Thomas, right on that little curb on Thomas. Pulled over right in front of the church. I got out, told him to turn off the car.
Okay.
He keeps telling me, why? Why do I need to turn off the car? So I'm like, turn off the car, turn off the car. Finally acts like he turns off the car, rolls up his window on me. So I start knocking on the window. He rolls the window down again. I see him fumbling with to change the gears, so I thought he's gonna drive off. And when I see him fumbling with the gears, the gun's tucked under his leg. So I see the handle. So I go over 646. I got a man with a gun. The Delta unit puts up Moss and his partner. So I tell him he's got a gun. So they're like, Val, get him out. I go to open the door doesn't open. So I go in to open it from the inside, and he takes off.
Okay. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Who picked up on the car first? The 599 unit, or you pursued him first?
No, the Delta unit took off for it first, and then I saw them going all the way up Bergen. I was like far, far, far behind.
Okay.
Then I heard Bergen and Peshine, Clinton and Peshine, and I saw people start running off of Bergen. So I turned, and nothing. And then they said something on Bergen Avenue. They were going on Bergen Avenue. So I kept going. I heard said shots fired by police, and then I see all the units are still following the car, going into the first. Then they turned where the Applebee's was on Springfield, and then we came back around onto ITB, and we ended up here.
Okay. All right.
By the time I was here, it was like 5-6 units here.
Where's your car?
503. I was driving 503.
All right, let's see your car.
403's good.